Hi everyone. Today we're going to be touring the Kylie plan, which is a version of our Kinsley plan, and this home is available in the Lake Wilborn community of Hoover, and today I'm here in the Enclave in Alabaster where this home is also available. The Kylie plan has a large foyer, and then this is a flex space here in the front, and this flex space can be used as an office, and it can be used as a dining room or a media room. They did a nice decorative wall trim there. And then you turn and it comes into an open space here, which is the kitchen, the dining area, and the great room in the back of the home. First, I'm going to show you that there are two spare bedrooms here in the front. This is a main level bedroom here. Of course, they're using it as a small meeting area for clients and customers. And then this is another bedroom here in the front of the home. And then there's a Jack and Jill bath that connects the two bedrooms together, and I'll do a quick pan for you to see that bathroom. And now we're back in the kitchen space, and you can see just how elegant and spacious this is. They did a gas range here in the kitchen. This would normally be a smooth top electric here in the Enclave. They've got a great backsplash. They did the gold trim on the faucet there that's really elegant, and a nice farmhouse sink. The island is super large. You can see it's got room for 3 bar stools, possibly 4. And you've got room over here for you could have a hutch if you needed one. This room has engineered hardwoods throughout. It's going to be carpet in the bedrooms. They've got a trim piece coming for that microwave, but you can see that there's great storage here in the island. Over here you've got the breakfast table. Large space here. And then back here in the great room, you'll have to excuse my tripod, but this great room is really pretty. You've got the decorative ceiling with beams. They did the slider glass across the back. That's going to be an upgrade here in the community, as well as that fireplace and the shiplap above. It's a great room. There's a huge covered patio across the back with an outdoor fireplace. That's an upgrade. The wind's howling today, so that mirror is moving around a good bit, but this would normally be a calm, relaxing space in the back. The master bedroom here is off the back of the house. Really large, really spacious. You can see you've got that decorative wall trim across the back. I'll pan out one more time this way and let you see how large this space is. And then pan around here and show you the master bath. This would normally be a wall mount tub. They did a freestanding tub here. And then you've got the granite vanities on either side. Really nice black, elegant color. And then this really large master closet here in the back. The shower is just awesome. It's really spacious. They had the gold trim. That's a frameless glass that they did as an upgrade here in the bath. There's a drop zone area when you come in from the garage. This you can have for book bags and hanging for coats. You can put some coat racks there across the top. The laundry has a decorative floor. This is really large for washer and dryer space. There's a half bath in the hall. They did a nice shiplap and mirror inside. And I'll give you one more view of the kitchen from this side, from the stairs, with the front foyer area. And hey guys, before I go upstairs, be sure to know that you can reach me and contact me at any moment in time. Just click on the link below for my contact info or phone number, and feel free to call with any questions. The Kylie plan has a different layout upstairs than the Kinsley plan that you may be familiar with. So they've enlarged the loft area upstairs, giving it a tri-set window. This is a great rec room, entertainment area for the kids, or an office or den for upstairs. Then off this den, you're going to have two large bedrooms. Here's a bedroom here upstairs. Full bath with two sinks. Got the tub insert upstairs. And then another bedroom here upstairs. Double closet door. Walk-in attic space off to the side. One more look at this large upstairs loft space. And I want to thank you for joining me today for the tour of the Kylie plan. We're in the Enclave in Alabaster, and this home is also available in Lake Wilborn and Hoover. If you have any questions, give me a call, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for joining me. For my next home tour, click on the video link right here, and I'll see you there.